Sheffield City Airport is the newest and most modern licensed airfield in the country. Let's now take a look at a typical training aircraft.
Right, this is the control yoke. To get the nose of the aeroplane to come up, we pull back gently. And the aircraft nose comes up and the aircraft starts to climb. To get the nose of the aeroplane to go down and the aircraft to descend, we push forward gently. If you want the aeroplane to fly level, then you just relax the input of control and the controls will come neutral and the aeroplane will fly level. To get the aeroplane to turn, we bank the aeroplane, turning the control column in the appropriate direction and squeezing the same rudder pedal. Once the aircraft's in the turn, then we neutralise the controls and the aeroplane will stay in the turn. To get the aeroplane to come back out of the turn, the control column in the opposite direction and the appropriate rudder in that direction. As soon as the aeroplane comes back level, neutralise the controls again and the aeroplane will fly level. That is an explanation of the control yoke and rudder pedals. This is the airspeed indicator, reading 0 at the moment on the ground obviously. When we're flying and at cruising speed, the speed will be 85 knots on the indicator, which is accrued to 100 miles an hour normal cruise speed. This is the altimeter, at the moment on the ground obviously reading 0. As we climb up, I can show the altimeter winding round, showing the big hand showing hundreds of feet and the little hand as it comes round showing thousands of feet.
Camera, yes we are. Before we line up. And lined up, that's what departure looks like. And power. And accelerate. Pull back gently. And we're level. Oh, the wrist are taking off.
Oh, nothing to it.
Up and away. There's seriously nothing to it. It is too simple. And because it's too simple, people can't get their head round that that's all there is to do. And we're up and we're off. And then it's a gentle left turn as we climb away from the city. Like that. And it's certainly a room with a view.
Yeah.
And we climb out over the open fields here. Right next to Sheffield City Airport we've got farmland.
Alright.
Just there, we climb out over the farmland and we're on our way. Like so. Right, once we're up and away, fuel pump off, throttle back a little bit. HT back a bit. Retrim. And up and away.
Golf Sierra Charlie, now ready for departure.
At your discretion, surface wind 280 at 10. Golf Sierra Charlie.
Ready for departure at Alpha.
Depart your discretion, sir, with the surface wind 280 at 10.
That's Strongfield.
Alright.
Roger.
Oh, it's TA Centre here. Oh yeah, we're over that way.
Over that way, right. We're going over there then.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is the, I'm putting it on the outside camera now then. And ready as we go.
Golf Sierra rolling. Roger.
Yeah, that's the Green Hill Parkway, up to Bradway, yeah.
And Golf Alpha Alpha is 4 mile final for 28.
Millhouse's parked down my side.
Yeah.
Roger.
There's the golf courses here.
And you are well out into countryside here.
Yeah.
Oh, we've got the Pennines ahead. Oh, just coming round in a gentle left turn then over Bradway. And this is what it looks like. Got Sheffield City Centre on your left.
As you say, it looks totally different from up here.
Totally different, because there's no hills.
Yeah.
28 threshold.
Yeah, it looks pretty flat, and we're on quite a hill up there.
That's right. And it looks flat from here.
Yeah.
28 on well. Roger.
Right then, you're going to fly again now. You can't go wrong, it's not possible. I want you to do a right turn. Turn it gently to right. Turn it gently right. Relax on everything there and let the aeroplane turn right. That's it. You shouldn't get the feel from it. It takes a little while just to get the feel how much it moves. Throw the nose up just a little bit. Gently does it, gently. And left just a little bit.
Can you vacate?
Well, there. Steady as it goes. A bit of turbulence has just straightened us up again, look.
Alpha, could I have the captain's name, please?
Evans.
So a gentle right turn.
Thank you.
Gently turning right.
And Sheffield Cosstock 5 is operating.
Gently does it.
Park, and looks like being for the considerable foreseeable future.
To come up a
Gently
bit.
does it.
Yeah, that's the Roger. There's no traffic to affect.
Cosstock 5, I'll be up to 2,000 feet, 102.
Do you want to take it?
Gently does it. Yeah, it's easy. There it is, look. It's just coming round gently right.
To East Midlands 134.
Not pulling nose up.
3417. Good day.
Balancing the aeroplane around the Earth's horizon.
Alright.
What you need to be doing. Take us across that way.
Is that the white hatching in my 10 o'clock?
Alpha.
And straighten up now. Left and left pedal. Left and left pedal. Hold it there. Let the nose go down so you can see over the front. On too far left, right and right pedal. Right and right pedal.
I think it's the pedals.
Right and right pedal. Just press it.
Yeah. Oh, I see.
Gently does it. Steady as we go. Keep going. Helicopter down there somewhere. Just come out to Graves Park.
Sheffield approach, good afternoon. This is Golf Charlie Bravo, Papa Yankee.
Golf, Papa Yankee. Go ahead, Steve.
Turbulence rocked you. Steer it back right again.
Sherburn, inbound to Sheffield. We're approximately 5 miles to run to your VRP at 2,000 feet, 1020, and requesting joining instructions.
Yes, the runway news is 28, and the Q&H is a 1021.
Over there.
Runway news 28, Q&H 1021, Golf Papa Yankee.
Report to the VRP.
Roger, will go, Papa Yankee.
Roger.
Let nose go down so we keep going.
Approach, Golf Papa Yankee is currently overhead the VRP.
There's no known traffic. Put us straight in on 28, and the Q&H, as I said, is a 1021.
Directing on 28.
Rock and roll.
Sheffield approach, Golf Papa Yankee, long finals for 28.
Right and left.
Landing no discretion with the surface wind 270 at 10.
Papa Yankee.
Gently do that.
Back over that way.
No, I want to keep straight.
Alright.
Steady as a go. That's it, you're straight again.
Not there.
That's it, look. Dead straight now. Keep it going like that.
Pedals seem to have more effect than the...
Yeah, very powerful.
Yeah.
Pedals are very powerful.
Yeah.
Bank a bit, right a bit.
Right a bit.
That's it. Right a bit. Let nose go down so we keep going.
Alright. This is approach, Golf Papa Yankee short finals for 28, 3 greens.
Roger.
Left a bit. Nose down.
Oh.
Gently does it. Right a bit. Keep steering. Gently, gently. Let it fly. No problem, it's easy. Anybody can do it.
I don't know about that.
You can, you're doing it. Anybody can do it. Some people take longer than others practicing, but anybody can actually do it. I've had grannies at 80 doing it.
We're going to left here.
I had one from Bradway last week.
All
She
right.
lived back at tennis centre.
Alright.
That's it, you're doing it.
Yeah.
Left a touch. That's it there. Gently does it. Gone too far now.
Oh,
Right,
sorry. Going nose up.
Right,
Golf
it's
Papa
up.
Yankee.
That's it. Left a touch. Correcting all time, little bits.
Yeah.
Gently, gently, looking straight ahead out the
Golf Papa
front.
Yankee backtracking to it. Yeah.
Straight look.
Oh dear.
Hold it there. Wonderful. Right a bit. Coming right a bit.
VK, next left, is it wrong?
Next left, please, and if
Right
you can
again.
park on stand 2,
Right,
please,
left.
in front of that 172.
Roger, will go, Papa Yankee.
Right again.
Oh, sorry.
Keep flying it. Let nose go down.
Oh.
Left a bit. Let nose go down.
Oh, sorry.
Gently do it. Right a bit. Sheffield Golf Bravo Sierra Oscar Tango's M1 M18 for join.
Roger, non traffic, you fed straight in on 28 on a QFE 1012.
1012 for runway 28 to call final Golf Oscar Tango.
Cheers.
Keep steering in.
Stand number 2, did you say, Ron?
Gently.
That's all
Keep
right.
steering.
Where you are now?
You have to
Where
be
we're going.
steering little
Oh.
bits all the time.
Alright.
Like this look. You have it all the time.
Yeah.
Keeping it straight. Just like steering the car it is.
Yeah.
I want a
You got it.
gentle left turn. Final approach.
Am I doing it?
Yeah, you're doing it. Gentle left turn, look. Can't go wrong. Just like keep turning left.
Oh.
Gently does it. You'll see it runway. Gently, gently. Don't make turn too hard.
Oh.
Keep turning. Don't stop it turning either.
Alright, oh sorry.
As it never gets there. There's runway, look. Aim at runway. Yeah, it's easy. Aim at runway, we're just coming up onto final at Sheffield City Airport. And basically it's left and right and up and down. And it's ever so similar to a golden shot. Except we sat in the arrow.
Yeah.
There it is, look.
Yeah.
Oh, here we are, final Sheffield City Airport. and we're 3.4 mile final for runway 28, and we're on the centre line. Let the nose go down, let the aircraft start to descend. Looking good, we're on the centre line, Sheffield Airport. Final approach. 3.1 miles to go now to touchdown. Coming gently right to line up with the runway, coming gently right. Sheffield Golf Oscar Tango's final.
Yep.
Nicely on final approach there, it's looking good. Coming right, gently right. That looks good, on final. We're 2.5 miles from touchdown, and we're 1,100 feet in the descent. Come gently right for final approach. Gently does it now, little bits. Little and often now to keep you straightened up without runway. Come right onto final approach, coming right. Turning right a little bit. Come right to get final approach. Coming right. Let the nose go down, let it continue final approach. And turning right about. Turn it right.
Oh, I'm trying.
Yeah, go on then. Gently, let it go right to line up with the runway. Looks good. Let the nose go down. 1.6 miles, turning right to get lined up. Brakes are going on, touch your power, look, steady easy.
Yeah.
That's runway, look. You forget that you're in aeroplane and you just make runway line up in front.
Alright.
Like that, look. There it is. Anybody can do it. Dead easy. Okay, final now coming up to 400 feet. We're 1 mile final. It looks good.
Yeah.
That's what it should look like. I'm making small inputs of correction all the time to keep straight. Last lot of flap on, throttle closed now. Aircraft going down. Nose coming up gently. Nose up gently, 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 nose up gently. That's your landing. Nose up, brakes on. Wicked. Oh, what did you think to that flying?
That was pretty good.
Very good. We've got to right. And 1 or 2 visitors now at the airport.
As well as all types of flight training, we offer air charter, aircraft hire and aerial photography. Thank you for flying with Sheffield Aviation. Call us now on 0114 201 5551.